Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am feeling wonderful today. I have guests in my house. I decided that I wanted to wear pearls today, even though I'm wearing jeans. However, before I go any further, let me say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for liking my video, commenting on the video, sharing the video, and just for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when I have a video coming up. If you are interested in how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Just keep watching. Watch the video as I style my hair. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But God, I know I wouldn't be here without him. For he has said in his word that he'll never leave me or forsake me. And he hasn't. So I stand on his word. Have a great day. Have a great day.